Hello guys, my name is Vlada and this is my first clip about Highland Falls. Enjoy baby! Woo, woo, woo. Hello guys, welcome to my first YouTube video about Highland Falls. This is the house where I live in. Oh no, it's raining. Let's go back. It's raining and that's not good for my microphone. Okay guys, so this is the main street. This is the main street in Highland Falls. Hello. These are the people who live here, very nice people. We have a lot of different restaurants. Starting from this one, Greek, Sushi's King. And we have this Peruvian one. My friend, hello, how you doing my friend? A lot of diversity in such a small place. You have everything that you need to live. And if you like donuts, you always have Dunkin' Donuts. And this is the place where I got my parking ticket. Here. You gotta be careful in America. They write you tickets for everything. But now I learned my way. I don't want to pay $50 for every ticket that I have. As you can see, here's the police station. Very quiet, very peaceful. Basically no crime, I would say. I don't know, I'm not a police officer, but still. People mind their business, they work, live American lifestyle. Highland Falls Library. We got good. This is a very good restaurant, Andy's restaurant, where you can have nice breakfast. Highland Falls salmon is one of the specialties of this place. This is the laundromat. Here is the place where you wash your laundry, because in the US not every house has a laundry machine, so it's a collective laundromat. It's nice, you get used to it. Alan's. This is the guy who fixes cars, man. He's a great mechanic. When I had a problem with my car, nobody knew how to fix it. They were all saying $100, $200. Then I came to this guy, Alan, that's the old guy walking there. He said, go on internet, take one chip away and you'll fix it. And that's it. And he didn't even charge it. Very nice people. This is the town hall, Highland Falls. Peace out. Very nice people. This is town hall. If you got a ticket, parking ticket, you come here and you pay for it. If you don't want to pay, you can go to a judge, but you don't want to do that. If you're not right, then you just embarrass yourself. We'll cross the street here. I want to show you a place where one famous American poet, John Burroughs, wrote his poem Waiting. So this is a place where people take inspiration from. This is a place where people make something out of themselves. Just here, in this park. As you can see, no smoking, no vaping, no e-cigarettes, no marijuana. They know how to keep this place clean, man. So on this spot, John Burroughs, the poet naturalist, wrote his poem Waiting. Very nice and clean. As you can see, you can just walk here. You need a car so you can move to New York City or to go to your job, of course. You definitely need a car. This is America. Without a car, it's like you're without oxygen, man. You need it to breathe. But still, in this place, you can chill. You can go, as you saw restaurants in the main street, you can walk to them. This is some bank. Also, there is a Chase Bank in the main street. And I'll show you now. This is, I think, the only place where you can just walk to a supermarket. American gas station. Cash $3.97, almost $4. Diesel $5.99, almost $6. Damn. And they're still pumping money into Ukraine war. Here the gas is more expensive, but when you go close to Peekskill, the gas is $3.60. So it's better to pour the gas there. But you still have a nice gas station here. Houses are typical American, but these look like colonial style. Friendly family place. You see, you can't help to notice American flags everywhere. People respect their country, respect their flag. They always like to show it, to honoring the military, honor the... I mean, as much as you like them or don't like them, you gotta respect that fact, man. In every country it should be like that. In every country. I'm from Serbia, and I would like in my country to my flag to be everywhere, honoring the military from before, honoring the veterans. It's called respect. Okay, my town marketplace. As you see, guys, it only took 5-6 minutes walking to get to your town marketplace, where you can buy a lot of stuff for better prices. As you can see, I wanted to show you the peaceful side of New York State, upstate New York. This place is called Highland Falls. In the next clip, we're going to be the witnesses of the most dangerous neighborhood in New York City, and that is South Bronx, baby. Woo, woo, woo. Like, share, subscribe. Help me get to 1K, guys. We're building an empire. Peace out.